Hello and welcome to Ben Max Motors. Here today we have a 2007 Nissan Serena, which is a 2-litre petrol automatic in white. So they're imported from Japan in 2021 and sold by us to its first UK customer. It's coming in with 97,000 miles, just over. Has proof of 6 service stamps and it's just had a clean MOT put on. It's in excellent condition inside and out. Beautiful. Full electric windows, electric mirrors, buttons to open and close the side doors, keyless entry as well. As you can see there, it does show 156,670 kilometres. As you can see, this is in kilometres, with it being a Japanese import. That does equate to 97,348 miles. Mentioned automatic, with the push-on, push-off handbrake down there. Just had a new media system fitted with Bluetooth, radio and your CD player, along with your different settings. Also has USB input, SD card and aux. Climate control settings, along with a bit of storage under here and a bit more down there. 2 cup holders. As mentioned, this is a very spacious 8-seater, adjustable front seats, automatic side doors, one pull on the handle and it opens up. As mentioned with this, you can have this as a 2 in the front or a 3, and a 3 or a 2 again in the middle, as this seat does move forward all the way into that space there. So you can have a 3 seat at the front, 2 seats in the middle, and again, a lovely 3 seats at the back with plenty of space. Pull the lever here, pull forward, and there we go. So we access the back seats. Adjustable headrest. It's a lot easier with 2 hands. Again, automatic close.
Mate.
Go right into the boot. Do have a little bit of space here at the back, just behind the back seats. Quick pull on there, lift up, and these seats still come all the way up if you don't trap the seat belts. So you can have more boot space if needed and use it as a 5-seater. Same again with either side, that comes down the same. And just to get them back, pop that up, let it down. Just 2 levers at the side, one there for that seat, one more here for that one. And just pull these red tags. And as you can see, very nice and clean, tidy, well looked after, plenty of space, and very comfortable also. So lovely drive. There we are, 2007 Nissan Serena 2 litre Comes with 1 key and 3 months warranty. Coming in now at Ben Max Motors. Thank you for watching.